सो आज की सबसे बड़ी न्यूज क्या रही? जी एंटरटेनमेंट स्टॉक 32% अप था. Because of this, Nifty Media Index was up 13.5%. In other news, Nifty Realty Index, the real estate index, was up 8.5%. Godrej Property is up 13%. DLF was up 12%. But Nifty, main जो index है Nifty का, Nifty 50, was down by 0.09%. Because no media stocks or no real estate stocks are present in Nifty 50. However, the mid cap and the small caps indices were up 1.5% almost. So there were two questions by a lot of people today. First of all, Z Entertainment stock पे circuit क्यों नहीं लगा? So when it rose by 32% and I think it went up by 40-45% also, तो 20% पे circuit लगता है ना, या फिर 10% पे. So why was there no circuit? Well, this can be a question from people who might not have been also following the real the Z Entertainment stock for the last week as well, because on 14 September the stock ended 40% up. So eventually, what is the reason? The reason is very simple, and this you need to know, is that whenever a stock, whichever stock is in the future and option segment, उस पे कोई सर्किट नहीं लगता है. Then there is a question, then सर्किट नहीं लगता है तो वो 10%, 15, 20% पे हल्का सा फ्रीज क्यों हो जाता है? वो that is because of the technical reasons, because NSE का system is designed that they have to give an upper circuit and a lower circuit levels. एंड जब वहां पे वो हिट करता है देन देयर इज अ 5 मिनट 7 मिनट पॉज और उसके बाद दोबारा ट्रेडिंग रिज्यूम हो जाती है. हेंस द स्टॉक्स लाइक DHFL में, इफ यू रिमेंबर, ऑन द अदर साइड इन सितंबर 2018, वहां पे लोअर सर्किट का कोई सर्किट कंसेप्ट नहीं था, तो द स्टॉक वेंट डाउन बाय 40, 50, 60%. आई डोंट रिमेंबर द एग्जैक्ट परसेंटेज. सो ऐसे स्टॉक में देयर इज नो, सो इट कैन इवन थ्योरेटिकली राइज टू इन्फिनिटी. ऑब्वियसली वो होगा नहीं. सो हेंस 14 सितंबर को जी वाज अप 40%. टुडे इट वाज अप 32%. देखा जाए तो पिछले 8-10 दिनों में जी का स्टॉक हैज ऑलमोस्ट डबल्ड. 80% बेसिकली 80% राइज हुआ है, विच इज ऑलमोस्ट डबल. बट हुआ क्या है? व्हाट हैज लेड टू द सेकंड क्वेश्चन व्हाट पीपल आर आस्किंग, व्हाट हैज लेड टू दैट काइंड ऑफ अ स्टुपेंडस इंक्रीज ऑल ऑफ अ सडन? So what happened on 14 September was the rise was because Z Entertainment ka 4% holding is with promoters, 96% holding is with promoter with the public as well as institutional investors. So when there is such a massive amount of shareholding with the institutional investors, they hold the reins. Extraordinary general meeting में बुला के उन्होंने बोला कि we do not like Puneet Goenka, who is the MD, and we want to remove him along with 2 other directors. And they gave a list of 6 other directors that we want these people to be on board. अभी इसमें लोग खुश हो गए and started buying because of certain kind of a corporate governance issues. People were feeling that Z stock is not moving, and which is true also. You know, Z stock एक ऐसा बहुत ही कम ऐसे स्टॉक्स रहे हैं जो आफ्टर कोविड क्रैश ऑफ मार्च 2020 इतना नहीं बढ़े हैं. बेसिकली पिछले 1.5 साल में जी का स्टॉक इज अप ओनली बाय 60-62%. और यहाँ ओनली 62% will look a little weird, but you guys know that in the last 1.5 years, what has the stock market done, right? There are few stocks which are up 4, 5 times, 6 times, but ये स्टॉक ऐसा है जो सिर्फ 1.5 times ही अप रहा है. So, and आज का जो मूवमेंट आया है उसने फाइनली आज जाके अपना प्री कोविड जो जनवरी में उसने किया था, आई थिंक 320-330 लेवल्स, फाइनली आज जाके तोड़ा है. जबकि बाकी सारे स्टॉक्स ने वो लेवल कब का तोड़ दिया और उसके ऊपर बहुत ऊपर चले गए. अब आज ऐसा क्या हुआ? सो लास्ट वीक तो आप समझ गए क्या हुआ, बिकॉज द प्रमोटर चेंज होने, द एमडी इज गेटिंग चेंज. पीपल बिकेम वेरी हैप्पी कि अभी नए लोग आएंगे, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इन एक्सुबरेंस दैट नाउ समथिंग विल हैपन इन द स्टॉक. पीपल स्टार्टेड बाइंग. Jhunjhunwala also, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala bought at around 220 levels on that particular day. Now, what happened today? There was a news when I woke up in the morning. I woke up to this news that Sony Entertainment, Sony Pictures Network is going to be buying Z Entertainment stake. Not buying, but merging. Merging का मतलब है the kind of merging of the equals. Now, what is happening in this deal? Let's understand some kind of a contours to give you a better understanding. That first of all, they have given a non-binding term sheet. Now, what does non-binding term sheet means? That अभी हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि we have given a commitment to the transaction or to the deal. So they get 90 days of the window to do due diligence. What is due diligence? That आपके अकाउंट सही है कि नहीं, and दोनों parties करेंगी. It's not that only Sony will be doing for Z. Z will also be doing for Sony, right? इसके अलावा 1.575 बिलियन डॉलर्स, which is somewhere around 12,000 crores Indian rupees, are being infused by Sony into Z. So ultimately, what is going to happen is that Sony will finally be taking a 53% stake in the merged entity, and Z will be only left with a 47%. Now, whenever these kind of merger news comes in, so stock का क्या होता है कि either it goes up massively or it goes down. अभी इस केस में up गया है, तो reason क्या है? Why are people thinking that okay, now that merger will happen, तो Z should have a larger value? So सीधी सी बात है. First of all, the reason is that an external player is coming, an international player is coming, right? Sony is present all over the world. तो जब इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर के पास थोड़ा कंट्रोल होगा, 53% का कंट्रोल उनके पास है, तो थिंग्स विल मूव अ लिटिल, kind of a better corporate governance will be there. Although Puneet Goenka has been reinstated for another 5-year terms, but now they think कि ठीक है अभी, because kind of the control is with Sony, so it may be better for them. Second reason is that they think that synergy after the merging will be huge for the Z shareholders. The reason being that Z today is present in the regional languages as well as it is into the Hindi entertainment segment as well, together with the movies segment. But Sony का अगर आपको पता होगा तो Sony is mostly into the sports segment, and then obviously उनका अपना Sony के channels है, Set Max, Sony का जो मेन चैनल है जिसपे कौन बनेगा करोड़पति जैसे प्रोग्राम्स आते हैं. तो इन दोनों का जब मर्जर होगा, एंड सोनी इज नॉट प्रेजेंट इन द रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस, सो मर्जर इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी फ्रूटफुल बिकॉज जी डज नॉट हैव अ स्पोर्ट कैटेगरी, एंड द रीजन फॉर दिस इज 10 Sports was sold by Z to Sony in 2018 with a non-compete agreement कि Z will never get into any kind of sports segment that was done by Sony. So अभी जब मर्जर हो जाएगा तो इन लोगों के पास पूरा का पूरा गैमट हो जाएगा, पूरा बुटीक आ जाएगा इनके पास. Now, another reason for this is going to be that India they have to take on Disney Hotstar, which is becoming massive. So along with Netflix, Amazon Prime, the regional player Disney Hotstar is massive, is big. If you talk in terms of the market share, Amazon and Netflix दोनों के पास 20% market share है, Disney Hotstar के पास 17% market share है, जबकि सोनी के पास is 4% and Z5 Sony Live, I am saying Sony Live के पास 4% and Z5 के पास around 9% है. तो together they hold around a 13% market share, and this will increase, right? Because they are coming up with great new offerings as well. So in order to take on the number 3 position, or at least take on Disney Hotstar का the merged entity, they thought that this might be a good synergy to go along with. अभी इस डील का कैसे contour set होगा, इसका clarity नहीं है, but this is just an assumption that if the merging is happening, probably these kind of things will also be looked into, and hence I think that people are a little positive on the merging, on the synergies. The stock will be anyways, it's going to be a listed entity, most likely that Z Entertainment, because Sony is not listed, right? In India, Z is listed, so it's going to be kind of a reverse listing for Sony stock as well. So this is the news today. Now the final thing which people ask is, ठीक है ज्ञानबाजी बहुत हो गई, the stock has almost doubled in the last 10 days, अभी enter कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? So a lot of retail investors will realize whether to enter the stock or not when the story is over. मेरे हिसाब से मुझे क्या लगता है कि, and this is again only for educational purposes, is that now is not a time to enter the stock. And जो भागना था for whatever reasons, it has already run up a lot. Stay away from the stock right now because it's still a non-binding agreement. You never know in the next 90 days what happens. And by chance 1% 2% chance अगर deal fail हो जाती है तो stock will kind of crash just like it has moved up. So better stay away. Whatever had to happen has happened, and let's catch up in another video sometime soon. Bye bye.